Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Got another request. This will be the second of three for Greg, way back Greg, and he's wanting me. He's so all three of these are going to be from the RocKwiz show, and all three of them are duets. So first of all, g'day Greg, g'day mate, and this one is RocKwiz, yeah, that's right. Russell Morris and Fiona Boyes singing "Smokestack Lightning," and that doesn't sound familiar. It might be familiar once I hear it, but like the last one was "Give Me Shelter," by the Rolling Stones. I mean, come on, there. Who hasn't heard of "Give Me Shelter" by the Rolling Stones? So without further delay, let's go into the intro and then right into the video and see what this is all about. And and once again, thanks for showing up, y'all. The girl.
Smokestack lightning shine just like gold. Oh, you hear me cry. Ooh, tell me, baby. Oh, who been here since I've been gone? Oh, don't you hear me cry? Tell me, baby, what did you sleep last night? Oh, hear me cry. Tell me, baby, what's the matter here? Oh, don't you hear me cry? I'll cry.
That girl knows she can play.
Tell me, baby, what is wrong with you? Don't you hear me cry?
That girl is having a great time, man. Just look at where that's paused at. Yeah, man, I haven't heard either one of these people. I haven't heard this song either. But it's I like it. It's the rockabilly kind of style, and I dig that obviously. And this girl, she can play rockabilly guitar too, real well. And yeah, I just wish I could play half as good as some of these people, man. And I like this guy's hat, and I think that's the smallest guitar in the world. That's just between a ukulele and a guitar, I think. That thing is small, or he's incredibly huge. I don't know which one. I'm really digging it. Let's get back to it.
Stop your train, baby.
Awesome. Yeah, that was just an awesome pairing of two rockabilly song singers. Anyway, uh, I knew I'd get it out, but I really enjoyed it, Greg, and I hope y'all enjoyed it as well, man. This is a short and sweet one, so y'all don't need me to keep y'all any longer. So until I see y'all again, I'll catch you down the road. Consider hitting the like button and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.